Shoo! I'm home. I survived Sturgis 2023. It was one for the books. Record books. Things happened. There were successes, there were failures, there were losses. There were awesome things too, though. So let's start trying to put this together as to what this year was like, what went well, what could have improved, and what we're going to do next year. My beard looks like if Ebenezer Scrooge was a crackhead. Like, I don't know what. Anyway. So, I have to apologize. I didn't do a lot of long-form videos, as you all know. I did a lot of shorts. If you don't know what shorts are, go back and look at those. I did a ton of those. Every time something funny happened, I would do a short or something like that. And that was a good time. And I think that might be the way I cover Sturgis from now on. Cover? Sounds a little too professional. The way I do Sturgis. Because something funny happens, you shoot a 1-minute video, you upload it from your phone, and you're done. Long-form videos, those are the channels that did that. God love them, because that's not easy. I mean, like, there's not a lot of data up there. It's hard to upload stuff. So what I'm going to do right now is cover one fun thing that happened, and then as I move forward, I'll recap and go back to other fun things that happened. But this is the Baker Burnout Drags. Now, what that is a burnout pit, right? But they put a tree in, like a drag race. And basically, it's like, you know, green light, you go, and whoever does the best burnout wins, or gets the most gears. It's highly scientific, right? So Baker, if you don't know, was the sponsor of the event. The Cycle Source team managed it. So Roadside Marty and Chris and Heather and all them, they managed the event, but Baker Transmission sponsored it. Burt Baker was there. He's a nut in the best possible way. When those kids, you'll see in the video, when those kids come in and start doing donuts on their bikes, Bert ran in and was chasing them. Now, Bert is not as young as I am. So, I mean, like, to watch him do that, which I don't know if I got video of him doing it or not, I was like, he's going to die. And then he didn't, because the man's got cojones, right? So, this was a lot of fun. There'll be a lot of comments. I can't believe you would waste your tires like that, this, that, and the other. Yeah, I didn't do it, but I'm just saying it's fun to watch, right? And there's people of all ages, nationalities from different countries doing it. There's a guy from Canada who blew up his tire on an Ultra. It was a lot of fun. It was packed in there, and just about everybody was there. So let's settle down and enjoy morons behaving badly. can't figure out what's going on. It's a burnout. Well, it's a drag race. You put up 2 bikes next to each other. There's a cherry tree. Everything tree drops. You race. They really just kind of say who does the best burnout wins the drag race. But 2 bikes at the same time. Say hi. I'm sorry. Camera was on me. It should have been on you. I'm sorry. We don't spend enough time here, and we really should do more. It's a cool place, man. We got a female rider coming up to do it. That's going to be awesome on a, you said it's fairly new, Lowrider ST? It's 2 months old. We got a chick that's going to do it. That's awesome. Right on.
This woman, she's badass, and whether she wins or loses is immaterial. She already fucking won. All right, let's light him up. Let's go. I am Woodburn. This is fucking awesome. I swear. Can you hear me? Oh yeah. How about now? Fuck. Okay. What's going on here?
Issues. Technical issues.
Going on? Here comes that light. California takes that championship. Good night.
So what'd you think? Did that work? Does this work? Is it doing a recap kind of thing? I don't know. This Friday, though, the 18th? What is today? Today's the 15th, Tuesday. Wednesday, 16th, Thursday. Yeah! So Friday, the 18th of August is our first live stream, public live stream. Everyone come. It's not a members-only thing. This is public. Everyone come and hang out. It's already scheduled. It's up there. You can find it right now and set a reminder. But we're going to talk about all the funny stuff that happened. We're going to talk about how the missus got pulled over the very first night we were there. We're going to talk about how the fact that I roofied myself on the road on the way there. That happened. That's a thing. We'll talk about that night. We'll talk about the chopper as a bastard that must be burned. No, we won't. We're not going to burn it as much as I'd like to. I'm not going to burn it. We're going to talk about plans for next year, with things we did like and are not going to change, things we are going to change, et cetera, et cetera. So come this Friday the 18th. Have a drink or 87. We'll talk about a bunch of funny stuff that happened. Whether you go to Sturgis or don't go to Sturgis, it's just going to be a good live stream. I just can feel it in my bones. This Friday the 18th is going to be a good live. So come hang out, and that's it. We'll talk to you all then. Take care of each other out there. Love you to death. Bye.